Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bird's feed mechanism by using your laser cutting machine. So keep watching this video till end, and if you are interested to make your own, I will leave the download link for the DXF files in the description of this video. So these are the DXF files, and you can find the download link in the description of this video. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, laser cut all files in 2 mm thick acrylic sheet. So laser cutting is done, and you will get the one base and two these type of spots. One this top side and four number of these type of balls. So these are identical pairs. Two pairs are identical. You will also need this transparent silicone and a cola bottle and also permanent glue. So let's start. First of all, remove the paper protection from all sheets. Now let's start assembling it. So pick the ball and pour the permanent glue on its edge like this. And then pick the base and attach it on the base like this and wait until it dries. So this ball is attached now. Similarly, attach all the other three balls on the base. After attaching all four balls on the base, now pour the permanent glue on the spot and also attach it on the base like this. So same process for attaching the another spot on the base. Now paste the transparent silicone on all the corners of the pot so that the water leakage will be prevented. Now remove the cap of the bottle and attach it on the top acrylic sheet like this and pour the permanent glue on the edges of this cap. One thing which I forgot to tell you that you must have to make a hole on the center of the bottle cap. So this was the attachment of bottle when you use it for feeding water. So now let's talk how you will attach the bottle when you have to feed grains to the bird. So without cap you will have to attach bottle with the top acrylic sheet. So first pour the permanent glue and attach the bottle like this without cap. So now cut the bottle base from here, and this bottle will be used to feed grains to birds. So now I have made two pots. One is used for feeding water and the another one will be used to feed grains to birds. Now attach the top acrylic plate with the pots with the help of permanent glue. So our both pots are ready for the birds. Fill one bottle with the grains and the other one with the water, and then attach it with the pot like this. So finally our both pots are now ready to serve the chicks. So I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video, and thanks for watching and sparing time. And if you found this video useful, do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.